Hello. Sorry if my camera's facing up. It's just that my iPad's charging and so I have to keep it on the front. But hey, welcome to another video. Unboxing video. We got a new cube. And I'm kind of liking the cube just of what's here. I know it's kind of like a ball, but let's just check it out. Pamphlet. Oh, and the cube itself. Whoa. This is actually my first speed cube. Kind of lucky. I'm really liking this cube. It's actually kind of awesome. Wait, let's see the mechanism. I can't. It's not easy to. Okay. Forget about it. Okay. Okay, let's do checkerboard. Whoops. Okay. Oh, dang it. So, this actually looks kind of cool. I like the shades too. I'm impressed of how it looks. I'm just blown away of how good this is. I might say this is pretty good. It's kind of like so cool. Oh, I'm way off camera. So this is how the cube looks like. Corner cutting. Oof. Okay. At about 40. Nope. So little corner cutting. That's the disappointing part. Oh wait. It was just locking up for some reason. How about reverse corner cut? 0. Reverse corner. Oh! That's a reverse corner. So yeah. Reverse corner cutting is not that good. Corner cutting, good. I like how it is. Oh, you get corner twists. I never knew that. Okay. Okay. Let's see the pamphlet. Okay. I like pamphlets. Okay, so this is what in the pamphlet. Just a bunch of algorithms. Look at all them algorithms. Okay. So cool, this pamphlet. And I'm really happy that I got this cube. Because it's getting like a speed cube feeling. And this is my first ever speed cube. And also, if you're wondering if there's lube in here, yes there is. It's just I can't feel it because I finished eating like 5 minutes ago. And I really like this cube. Kind of locky. So, this is kind of cool. Way off camera. I'm kind of liking this cube. Let's see if I can take a... Nope! Yeah, but you can corner twists. That's pretty interesting. Ah. Thank you guys for watching. If you want, you could get your very own spherical cube. Spherical. I don't know the name. But anyways, you're also another thing you're probably thinking. No, I didn't get it from SpeedCubeShop.com. I got it. I got it from Amazon. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, smash the like button, and also make sure to subscribe, and maybe turn on notifications. And goodbye. Peace.